Today, you can find a lot of information at the library. Do you know how these useful materials got there and ended up in your hands? Let's dive into their fascinating journey. Once upon a time, there was no information about whatsoever. Then someone came along. Let's call this someone Dr. Curious. Now Dr. Curious started gathering information about specific topics. No matter how difficult, the doctor kept on digging until there was enough raw data. These were brought back to the office, organized and categorized. And then a statistical report was born. The statistical report contained countless pages, consisted of numbers, tables, and other formats, which is an abstract view of the topic. Instead of spelling everything out, numbers require you to analyze and interpret. So colleagues of Dr. Curious would extract some of the numbers and tables and work hard to interpret the meanings and implications of these data. Using their professional knowledge, they came to various plausible explanations. Then an extended research report was published. But there's more. Dr. Curious and company continue to focus on some of the most significant findings, supporting these findings with relevant viewpoints and evidence. And together, they wrote a journal paper to share and further their academic learning. Still, it had to go through a rigorous peer review process. Over the years, fellow researchers would raise various questions and criticisms. Across the globe, a professional read Dr. Curious' research and found it really relevant to their professional practice. The professional proceeded to write a review article and published it in a newsletter. At the same time, in another part of the world, a professor kept a close watch on all the new findings and research related to specific topics. The professor pulled everything together and published a book, one with great insights that paved new ways for further research on this topic. This book is then shelved in the library and appears online simultaneously. From news media to social media such as Facebook and Twitter. Then someone read the book, and even more questions were asked. And there goes another fascinating research journey.